Hi guys!
This is my best friend. Oh, sorry! Where's your... Okay,
This is mine.
who's first?
Me.
Okay. Oh, you got 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, you got 7. 3. 1, 2. Oh, I have. You got letter. Oh.
Mine is the blue one, guys.
Mine is the red, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Ano yung alam mo, Maggie lang?
Yeah?
Maggie?
Stop it.
Egg.
3.
Ano gagawin sa egg? Ilaga?
Scramble. What? Okay.
Kaninang umaga nag-egg ka rin?
No, that's not egg. It's eggplant. I got 1.
Itlog lang dito ni sa
1,
ano.
2.
My turn.
Sorry guys if I actually not updating my profile because I'm too
Ay,
busy.
dito pala yung pot.
Oh no!
Yes, I got the ladder!
You gotta finish line. Look, guys.
Yes, I'm the blue one. I'm almost about to win.
Wait.
I need to get to the chest.
Wait. I need some.
I have to get to the chest, guys. That's my only problem.
I need water bottle. They then can't see them.
No, you don't need to put that.
Ito, sa likod.
Uy,
Dito ilagay sa likod.
sa likod.
Hey.
Mine is the blue one. I'm about to win. Your turn?
Yeah. Oh, I'm almost. Please give me 2.
Oh, I can't do
You
that.
can't. You can't. What?
My turn.
4.
No.
You can't. 1.
No, no, you have to be on top.
Oh yeah, I got you.
My turn.
6. You can't. Mine. 2.
No.
1, 2. Oh, only 1 left.
I don't know how to play the game.
2. Go in my head.
Yeah. Let's see what you got. Ooh, lucky number. We both win.
Yeah. We both 1 point. Oh no.
Guys,
What?
be quiet because I can hear the song.
Okay, there you go. Bro.
I'm saying hi.
Yeah.
With my one pinky finger.
Sorry guys. This one, not
What?
this one.
Oh wait, my turn first.
This one, not this one. I don't need
Haha,
help.
I won first.
I don't need help, okay?
You got swallowed by the snake.
Yeah, I go in the 6th. Oh, you got 1?
We joke lang.
Hey, stop.
Hey, I'm going up the snake.
Let me see when you're recording. Hi guys. Okay, your turn? Oh, your turn.
What?
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Oh.
You got 1 already.
5.
Luis Camarilla from Acusa del Sur.
Lagusan.
Hi, Luis. Welcome to TikTok.
What did you
1, 2.
Oh.
Oh, I got the long snake.
Oh. Okay, I'm almost gonna beat you. 4. Oh no.
I got the ladder. Yes, thanks for teaching me.
1. Oh no.
What?
Guys, sorry if I don't have a because we're so busy. We're busy playing Chocabuca.
What?
Uh-oh. Okay. 1.
Kasi yung mga kapatid niya, last
Please give me 1. Oh no.
nagsama-sama sila Christmas. So, that was 4 years ago, di ba? So, ako na lang mag-wish for you.
You almost gonna go in the snake.
Oh, no. I feel so bad about
Sana
this.
bago magpaskuhan lang, sama-sama kayo ulit. Ha? Diba na?
We're still at the bottom.
Masaya.
What? I thought we were gonna
You
go.
got to be kidding me! Guys, give me good luck.
Me too. Because I'm the bottom of my friend. 1, 2, 3.
My turn?
Yan.
2. 1, 2.
I got it.
I almost got swallowed by the snake.
I got the ladder.
Grabe, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you're by your side.
I got swallowed again. Oh no.
Ako nagtataka
I
kung
got
paano
3.
pa sila
1, 2, 3.
nakakapag-perform. Kaya saludo ko sa'yo dahil kahit medyo
Ooh.
meron
Hey.
mabigat na
Oh, you
bibigyan,
got eaten.
ay pinili mong
just
lumaban
kidding.
ngayon dito ngayong araw. So,
Oh,
congrats
yeah,
sa'yo.
I had a face reveal.
1,
I'm sure
2.
proud sa'yo yung mga utol mo.
You
na-
guys.
Punta tayo sa performance mo, Luis.
Oh, yeah, you're very good. Yung...
Itong plastic na piyesa na to, for sure,
You got a back!
Sorry.
You go back.
Okay, you got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I got
Kasi yung mga unang parts, parang hindi ko alam
1, 2,
ako
3,
sasabay
4.
dun sa
Okay,
flow mo.
few.
Merong mga parts
Oh, no,
na I
did
think
you
yung
know-
vibrato mo,
did you-
No, it's your turn.
may
1,
decision
2,
mag-start
3,
sa
4.
part of that. Kumbaga, kung ito yung tamang note nasa gitna,
Oh, you
may
got
tendency
3?
na hindi gumalagpas or bumababa. Hindi siya
What?
sa sentro. So, watch out ka lang doon.
I went the wrong way!
Okay, what?
Appreciate ko yung dulong
Look,
part.
it starts
Naganda
there.
na parang mas luminis
What?
yung performance.
Then you got...
And na-feel ko
1, 2,
yung
3.
emotion at diin na binibigay mo dun sa pyesa. So, congrats.
Okay. Napabili mo, unang linya pa lang sa voice quality.
Here. Yeah, no.
Bakit
Maliban
man?
doon,
1, 2, 3,
yung connection mo sa
Hey, this is my brother. And this is my... This is our brother.
You got
Sino po ito naman?
1.
Sana yun, na dapat
Oh.
sakto lang.
And you.
Pas, hindi
2,
kulang.
1, 2.
Para sa akin,
Not this again.
You got the long snake. Sorry, buddy.
Kasi,
1, 2, 3, 4,
kaya mo siyang
5.
i-sustain.
Okay, I got 2
Walang
points,
vibrato
guys.
mo na sa pinakadulo na.
What do you own?
lyrics.
You mean
Okay.
I got 1 point and you got 2 points?
Yun lang naman.
Oh, yeah.
Luis,
Oh, yeah.
Nag-enjoy ako sa
I wish I get 1.
Okay, I first. Oh, you got... I got 2.
Kagaya nito.
Ooh, I got the ladder.
Yeah, you got a
If
ladder.
you get 1, then you got the ladder.
Yeah.
Maihaham.
Oh, no, sorry, guys.
Diba? Ganun lang.
5.
I hit it. 5,
5.
2.
Okay, my turn. Oh no! My turn.
Kasanayan mo lang
I
yun.
just hit it in the cat. Oh,
Sanayin mo
5.
yung sarili mo na kumanta ka
1,
na.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Lalagyan mo lang ng vibrato sa dulo.
Your turn, Alexa.
You did see that?
Ang gawin mo.
Did you see that? That's
Last
my best friend's brother.
Red
Then you...
camera alert! Red camera alert! Red camera
Where
alert!
is the dice?
kanta.
It ran off.
Medyo
But where are you again?
na yung kanyang tono. Wala namang masama.
Feel it everywhere! Feel it
What's the
everywhere!
dice?
Yun lang, mama.
I don't know.
Maraming salamat po.
Bro, give me... Oh, are you
Kaya ang
dumb? Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh man, you took so long.
Ito ang stars na ibibigay ko.
Okay, your turn? Or my
Yes?
turn?
No, it's your turn!
Luis, ito ang aking mga stars for you.
Oh, I got the ladder.
Hey guys, you can see out. Red camera alert!
Stars! Ito na, Luis, mamaya natin ipapakita ang
5,
scores na bibigay ni Tatay Renz. So,
Bro, you got the backwards.
Stars?
What? Where was I? Where was I starting?
Here.
One,
1, 2.
Susunod na kampiyon ng tanghanan. Kung paano mag-audition.
Bro, you're almost in the snake.
You have 5. You have 5. I mean 4.
Oh, I got in the 5th. Feel goodness. Oh, no.
You have 1.
Phew. Hey, you're always does it. 1, 2. My turn. 3.
Oh, it's my turn.
My turn 5.
Ah.
Alright, an earthquake.
Thursday.
So my turn is 6.
For everyone, it's showtime.
I'm almost gonna die too. Bro, what happened?
Can I try again?
What?
However, that stress is... Ang stress na
Okay.
ng nutrients. Take stress tabs. Tulong na
I forgive you. One last try.
Okay.
Four.
Hey, what happened to your camera?
Bita sabi?
Bro, stop. Oh no!
From Palmolive. Infused with 100%
Feel good.
What the heck happened to your camera?
Bro, it's your hand.
No, it wasn't.
The number
It was yours. Face reveal. Pop, 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 pop,
And it
pop.
was face reveal here.
fresh egg.
Face reveal your camera and your profile.
Ladies' choice.
Today I'm in my house.
Oh, it was your turn.
Oh yeah.
Delicious.
Where was I again?
4, 5, 6. Oh guys, I got
Yeah, I'm first at the number 1.
3 points. Oh, what is?
You have to go up on me.
Okay.
Oh no, it's over.
What?
Masarap ang maraming. Simot
Oh yeah.
taste the new
Okay, I think that was enough.
Milo.
Okay.
Singing about
Bye, guys. Oh no. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Okay.